how to send money from Botim to bank account. Now launch the Botim application on your device here. You can download from this website. You can just go back, search for Botim, and you will get this official link here. Navigate to the bottom Botim money section within the app. Select send money via any, and if you are in UAE, this feature allows for direct transfer to bank account. If you haven't activated any yet, click on activate now to link it to your Botim Pay wallet. This will enable you to send money directly to any recipient bank account. Select international transfer, local transfer, depending on whether you are sending money. For international transfer, choose the recipient country and currency and enter the amount you wish to send. Right now, after adding the beneficiaries, if you want to tap on initiate transfer, you may need to declare your source funds and purpose for the transaction, then confirm all details. Choose how you want to fund the transfer from your Botim wallet to link bank account, tap on proceed to pay. After sending, you can view transaction details and track it status within the app. So this is really easy way to do this. Thanks for watching.